Okay, now good morning student, welcome back to Math for class 12. Today's new exercise 10.3 product, dot product. This is a dot product, okay, this formula. Vector A dot vector B dot mean this type using of this dot. This is also product of dot product, okay. Vector A dot vector B equal to magnitude of vector A dot magnitude of vector B cos theta. This lie in this graph. Theta angle between two vector A and vector B. Vector A and vector B. This formula cos theta. Dot product use cos theta. If theta equal to 0, that is vector A is parallel to vector B. Means linear. You can say linear. Vector A and vector B are linear. You can say linear. है ना? Parallel vector have 0 degree, okay, and vector theta equal to 90 degree, so perpendicular. This is a vector A perpendicular vector B, so vector A dot vector B equal to 0 because cos theta equal to 90 degree, or cos 90 equal to 0. Then now the unit vector, magnitude of unit vector equal to 1, very important formula. Magnitude of unit vector is denoted by vector unit denoted by p dot or vector A upon magnitude of vector A. Projection formula, this is a projection formula. Vector A projection on vector B, then vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector on that vector is also divided by magnitude of vector B, okay. Vector A dot vector B. And now this question, vector A, this projection, this formula, okay. Vector A projection on vector B with angle theta, this is right. Now let question number 1, 10.3, question number 1. So first find the vector A and vector B if they dot be equal to this, and there is also magnitude is given. Find the theta. Find the theta means angle between vector A and vector B. Vector A dot vector B equal to magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B cos theta, okay. So AB is given under root 6 equal to magnitude this under root 3 and this 2 cos theta. Under root 6 divided by 2 under root 3 equal to cos theta. Cos theta equal to under root 2 into under root 3, factor of under root 6 or 2 under root 3, cancel under root 2 upon 2, so this divided by cos theta 1 upon under root 2, then theta equal to cos inverse 1 upon root 2, this is pi by 4, theta equal to pi by 4. Next, now next question number 4, 2, 3 are same. Find the projection. Then projection A on vector B. So then vector A dot vector B on magnitude of vector B. So now let vector A is given I plus 3j and 7k, and vector B on this vector 7i minus j plus 8k using this formula. So putting vector A I plus 3j plus 7k dot this 7i minus j plus 8k okay, or magnitude of b, 7i minus j plus 8k. Okay, but you start now this formula I dot I, j dot j and k dot k equal to 1 and cross product is 0. Okay, so only I dot I, j dot j, k dot k 1 and I dot j or j dot k and k dot I equal to 0 and dot product में other term is 0. This is a formula. So use multiply vector A dot vector B on magnitude of vector B. This is equal to I dot I. This equal to 1. I dot I directly multiply on I to I, j to j, k to k. Other is 0. So the other point is 0. So I dot I is 7. Minus plus minus 3 1 are 3. 7 plus 8 56. Other 0 plus 0 plus 0 upon magnitude. Magnitude means square root of 7 square plus 1 minus 1 square plus 8 square. So equal to 7 minus 3 4. 4 on this 60 upon under root 49 164 be equal to 60 upon 50 and 114. I think 60 50 114 is right. A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector B is a projection vector. Okay, now next question number 6. Find the magnitude and magnitude of vector B if vector A plus vector B and dot vector A minus vector B equal to 8, vector A equal to 8 times of vector magnitude vector B. Clear? This is an important question. More repeated this question, very simple. A dot A, vector A dot vector A minus vector A dot vector B plus vector B dot vector A plus minus minus vector B dot vector B equal to 8. A dot A equal to magnitude of A square. A vector A dot vector B or B dot A is also vector A dot vector B. Commutative law is like in this vector. Okay, square equal to 8. So this 8, it is also given vector A equal to 8 times of vector magnitude of vector B whole square or this cut minus magnitude of vector B square equal to 8. Yeah, 8 is 64. Magnitude square magnitude of B square equal to 8 and subtract 63. Vector B square equal to 8 upon 63 and vector magnitude of vector B equal to 2 under root 2 upon 7 3s are 9, 7 9s are 63. So 9 3 under root 7 this side. Okay, and now find vector A. Vector A equal to 8 times of vector B. This 8 multiply 2 under root 2 upon 3 under root 7. This will equal to magnitude of this magnitude is given, I think. Okay, let's see. Okay, this right. Missing 216 under root 2 upon 3 under root 7. Your answer A is this and B is also given. Okay, now next question number 10. If A is given 2i plus 2j plus 3k, vector B equal to minus I plus 2j plus k and vector C equal to 3i plus j. such that vector A plus lambda vector B is perpendicular to vector C. Find the value of lambda, then theta equal to 90 degree, okay, and cos theta equal to 0. So vector A dot vector B equal to this, use this formula. So A is given and find this vector A plus lambda vector B. 2i plus 2j plus 3k, okay, lambda minus I plus 2j plus k, and now find 2 minus lambda 1 ja lambda I, taking common 2 plus 2 plus 2 lambda j, and 3 plus lambda 1 lambda k. According to question, vector A plus lambda vector B dot vector C equal to 0. So 2 minus lambda I plus 2 lambda j plus 3 plus lambda k dot C. C is given 3i plus j equal to 0. So implies I dot I, j dot j equal to 1. So 2 minus lambda multiply 3. I dot I 1 and j 2 plus 2 lambda into 1. Other term not given, the 0 equal to 0. So 2 6 minus 3 lambda, 2 plus 2 lambda equal to 0. 2 this lambda, 6 or this 8. 8 equal to lambda is your answer. Okay, next, now question number 13. 13 is important question. Vector A, vector B and vector C are unit vector. You denoted by vector unit this symbol, so not use of this. Okay, vector A, vector B, vector C are unit vector. The magnitude of unit vector equal to 1. Clear? So find if this given condition ABC is given. Vector A unit vector B plus unit vector C equal to 0 vector. Find AB, BC, CS. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. This is important question. So vector A plus vector B plus vector C square equal to 0 vector square. A plus B plus C square. Okay. Vector A dot vector A plus B dot B plus C dot C plus 2AB. Vector A dot vector B plus 2BC and CA. 2 vector C dot vector A equal to 0 dot 0 0. A dot A means vector magnitude of vector A square. This magnitude of B square. Okay, magnitude of vector C square. 2 is common. Vector A dot vector B, BC plus C dot A equal to 0. Magnitude 1. This is also 1. This is also 1. Magnitude of unit vector equal to 1 plus 2 and then BC plus C dot A equal to 0. 1 1 3 divided by this. So therefore vector A dot vector B dot vector C plus vector C dot vector A equal to this minus 3 or this divided by 2. Get your answer. Okay. And last question number 16. So our collinear condition, so that the points A 1 2 7, B 2, 6, 3 and C 3, 10, minus 1 are collinear. Okay, collinear. Call for collinear. Collinear condition also given in 10.2 and second condition A, B, C are collinear. This A and B and this point also given C. So now AB plus BC plus CA, okay, equal to, this value is equal to 0, collinear condition, right? Collinear equal to 0, this minus AB BC equal to AC, है ना, before condition this not equal to, or magnitude of vector A, AB is equal to magnitude of vector and change of this vector, this equal to magnitude of vector CA. So now find AB BC CA length, AB vector AB, B minus A, 1 minus 1 0, comma 2 minus 2 0 and 3 minus 7 minus 4. This change in vector form minus 4k. Okay, BC, BC, B and C, 3 minus 1 2, 10 minus 6 4, 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. This change to 2i plus 4j and 4k. You can directly use in this formula, vector coordinate form. Coordinate form is very simple form. Okay, coordinate to coordinate CA, 3 minus 1 2, 10 minus 2 8, minus 1 minus 7 minus 8. Okay, 2i 8j minus 8k are change in vector form by using this formula. AB BC, AB magnitude and change of magnitude of AB directly under root 16. This is also equal to 4. Magnitude of BC, this must be equal to under root 4 plus 16 plus 16. This will equal to 32 and 4 36 equal to 6, and CA, this under root 4 plus 64 plus 64 under root this 4 4 2 and 12 and 2 sorry 1 132. Okay, 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 this length, this and this is the highest value, so this value is not equal to equal, that's AB plus vector BC equal under root 132, right? Okay, so this value 4 or this value 6, this is not equal to under root 132, are not collinear, right? This value is a not collinear according to question. When check and this turn time, CA, C and A, 3 minus 1 2, 10 minus 2 8, minus 1 minus 7, this right, all one equal. AC 1 minus 2, 3 to minus 2 and this minus is here, right? Okay, this is not collinear, are not collinear. A, B, C are not collinear. Prove. Okay, thank you.